me.
Rose.
China's just dropped Seedance 2, and honestly, it's absolutely wild. This AI video generator is creating content that's leaving all the other models like Sura 2 and VO3 in dust. Today, I'm going to show you the most mind blowing videos people are creating with this tool, and trust me, some of this will make you question what's real anymore. Let's dive deep into it. And just to let you know that Seedance 2 is only available in China as of now, and it will be soon available to all the people around the world. For now, let's dive deep into what people are creating.
Пилотов Су-34! Прием!
Absolutely amazing. Now Hollywood is in danger. After watching this, what I feel is the way this is creating the video, it's absolutely stunning. Now note that there are some lags and some AI slopes in here, but that's very minimal, and with time that's gonna get better. So this is absolute cinema. Now let's see some more examples here. Perfect action shots here, and the way motion happens, that's absolutely mesmerizing. Again, this is like anime style in here, so we're gonna see some of them. The way sound effects are added into this, that makes it insane. Next we have this animation. The animation itself is a low key, but it is absolutely on the next level. Even the animation industry is screwed. It's just a matter of time when these models get better, and it's gonna crush all of them. Or maybe it will transform the way we consume data and movies and entertainment clips. Now that was about animation. Let's have a look at some realistic footages that is generated using Seedance 2.
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Wild. This is absolutely stunning. The way sound effects are added in this, the sound from the subject is there. I don't know if they added the background music in post production. However, this generation is absolutely on point. Here are some more on this. So, this is one more video. See the physics here. So, it's a slow motion when he strikes all the. Look at that. So physics is insane. Like the way this shot happens, he strikes onto that, and oranges falls on the ground, and all the cinema level shots are proper. Like there is no glitch in here. There is no AI slop into this. There is one more. Crazy camera moments on this. Now the next one is absolutely gonna shock you because this is where some reference images are provided here and a motion reference video is provided, and see this as a result. Absolute accurate camera moments in here. See that? Each and every camera movement that is happening in the actual video are exactly copied in the generated results. That's Seedance 2, And with this, we are getting precise action replication. Then we have some sitcom type generations here. And
You know, that was
that's
completely
way
uncalled
accurate.
for.
Now this one is interesting because it has a prompt here. So what I did is I just copied this exact prompt from here and I added into Higgsfield and generated the same prompt, and this is the output of Seedance 1.5 Pro, which is the previous version of Seedance 2. Let's compare both of them side by side. Not right, because you see a lot of slope in here, right? That it starts, and instead of laptop being thrown, he himself is thrown here. So not actually up to the mark. Although we use the same prompt here, but it is not uh, onto the mark. Now let's see the result of Seedance 2. So this is the result of Seedance 2. This one is way accurate and way better than what Seedance 1.5 was able to generate.
You killed Jeffrey Epstein, you animal! He was a good man! He knew too much about our Russia operations. He had to die, and now you die too.
Now, this was all about what people are creating on the internet. Now, what we need to see is whether this is all hype or it is actually real. So, for that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so whenever the Seedance 2 comes in, I'll be testing everything and we'll be checking whether this is a hype or it is real. Whatever happens, the industry is going to disrupt very soon. So, make sure you are staying up to date with this type of information. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.